Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to master different legends in Apex Legends. Well, to do that, on Skirmisher Legend, use Reach into the Void ability for positioning during fights. Master her portal skill for team mobility and escaping tight spots. Be elusive and focus on quick close-range engagements. On Recon Legend, utilize Bloodhound's tracking abilities to locate enemies. Use the Eye of the Allfather to reveal hidden foes. Use the Beast of the Hunt's ultimate to spot targets easily and gain a speed boost in pursuing them. On the Assault Legend, play Bangalore for aggressive combat. Utilize her smoke canister for cover and confuse enemies. Master her double time passive ability to reposition quickly during firefights. Use the Rolling Thunder ultimate for arena denial. On Controller Legend, employ caustic gas traps strategically for crowd control. Use Nox gas grenades to disrupt enemies' visibility. Dominate indoor fights with caustic defensive advantage. Block paths and control the battlefield. On the last legend, which is Support Legend, as Lifeline, prioritize healing and reviving teammates. Master her DOC Heal Drone for quick health recovery. Use the Care Package Ultimate to provide your team with high tier loot. Stay close to teammates, providing essential support in the heat of battle. And that's how to master different legends in Apex Legend. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.